Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Engineers Club. This is Kaushik and today I'm going to talk about SQL joins. So this is part 1 of my SQL join series, and in this part I'm going to talk about left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. So we have already this input data set, employee and department table. Employee table is consist of 3 columns: employee ID, employee name and employee department ID. And by the look at the data set, we can easily tell that employee department ID and department ID from department table, they are related via foreign key relationship. Okay. So by the way, I'm using PostgreSQL and the ANSI SQL dialect. Although it's SQL join, so it's more or less same for all the different database engine. To save some time, I have already created the employee department table and I have already inserted those sample records in those tables. So let us check those records. Select star from em employees. Yes, they are there. Now our first target is left outer join. Okay, so the concept of left outer join is every record from the left hand side of the table or the left table. So to conceptualize it better, we can tell that whichever table is on the left hand side of this left join, we will refer it as a left table, and the table which is at the right side of this join, okay, that is referred as a right table. Okay, it will help us to conceptualize this joining concept way more better. Okay, so if I run this SQL, we can see that all the employee names, all of it, okay, but there is one department name missing, which is R&D. Now, why R&D is missing? Because R&D is having a department ID of 17 and there is no employee from the employee table, okay, who works in department ID 17. So, R&D is filtered out because our priority is to capture all the value from the left table, not all the value and only the matching value from the right table. Okay. Now coming to Amit. Amit don't have a department name. It's null. Why? Because Amit works in department ID 19 and there is no corresponding records in the department table for department ID 19. So that's why Amit's department is showing as null. Okay. Now coming to the right join, which is quite opposite of left join. Now in case of right join, if we compare it to the left join, we can see now the null value is coming in the employee name side, not in the department name. And surprisingly, our department name now is showing R&D. That means all the record from the right side of the table or right side of the join, that means the right table, which is department, is getting captured, all the records, and only the matching records from the left hand side of the join, which is employee table, is getting captured. So that is the reason Amit has been filtered out, because Amit's department has no record in the department table. So that is why Amit's record has been filtered out. Now coming to full outer join is like a bit of both. Okay, all the outcome of left outer join union the outcome of right outer join. So that is what the full outer join means. Okay, so if I run this, we can see in a nutshell, all the value from the left hand side of the join, which is employee table, will be present, and all the value from the right hand side of the table, which is department, will be present, and their corresponding matching values will also be present. Now in this case, R&D, there is no employee works in R&D, so the employee name is showing as null, and and department ID 19 has no record in the department table, so the department name is showing as null. Okay, so this is what the basic understanding of these three outer joins. So I hope you guys have liked it, and if you think that it's a good video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updated on such interesting contents. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.